The E stands for equity buildup. And I've taught you these concepts sometimes before, but I will reiterate them every time that I think you need to be reminded. Equity buildup. Now, equity is the portion of something that you own. If you took the value of real estate, if you subtract what you owe on the real estate, the difference is your equity. You know the monthly payment that you make on your house you're buying or a piece of real estate. Some of that is, well, you've got the principal and interest. Some of it is going to interest, and some of it is not. Some of it is going toward principal. That's called your equity buildup or equity portion. Did you know that if you had a 20-year mortgage, what seems like so small, that equity buildup, that eventually that loan will be paid off totally? So I like 20-year mortgages, not 30, not 40. I like the 20. The payment's not that much more, and then it gets paid off a lot faster. I like knowing where I'm going. And then think about it, that you're not actually making the payments. Somebody else is making them for you if you buy rental real estate. So I'm talking about the ideal investment. Real estate is, in general, is not the ideal investment. Rental real estate is the ideal investment. And we'll get into that in depth as we go, because we're going to go into that, start with concepts, and then get into details on how this is all done. Equity buildup is a portion that you own. Now, I've actually shared with you the one concept that will make you a multimillionaire quicker than anything. And remember when we talked about appreciation and inflation, and we're going to talk about it again in this particular lesson. The equity buildup will actually make you wealthy. So remember, one of the plans that we shared, we want to buy $1 million worth of real estate. Now, we don't have any money, so we're going to have to borrow the money to buy it with. Okay, so you got no equity here. Okay, now, as the value of real estate goes up, or actually, remember where if inflation keeps it costs more and more money to buy the same thing. But the debt stayed the same. Now let's look at the second part of that. That debt structure actually goes down over 20 years, where it's down to zero. So if you bought $1 million worth of real estate and you borrowed the money to get it, in 20 years, one of two things would happen. Either it went up in value or stayed the same. But even if it stayed the same, the debt would have gone down to zero and you'd still have been a millionaire. So I wanted a program that I was guaranteed to be a millionaire. That's why I got in real estate. And this would guarantee me to do that.